Here I have BQ Aquaris X2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first you have to go to the settings, then you have to go to the network and internet, select hotspot and tethering options, and here you have Wi-Fi hotspot. You can turn it on and off here, like switch it. You can change your host name, your security protocol, your password, and some advanced settings like turn off hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected. And you can choose your AP band. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.